Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I show how to redeem Pizza Hut promo code. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser, and then once you've opened up your web browser, type in couponfollow.com, head over to that web page, and then on the little search bar click on Pizza Hut. Type in Pizza Hut, sorry. Click on Pizza Hut. If you're from UK, click on UK. So I'm going to up on the first one. And then here it says Pizza Hut coupon codes. So choose which one you'd like to use. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use the 30% off. So I'm going to click on the Pizza Hut coupon 30% off. See details, click on that. Okay, it says here tap to copy code. So if you copy this code here, go back to the checkout of your order in Pizza Hut, put in this code, and you'll get 30% off that pizza or that pizza order. Or you can simply click on redeem at Pizza Hut, and that will take you straight to Pizza, and then go ahead and make your selection and then check out for that 30% off. Alright, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.